Meghalaya State Olympic Association ringkat bat ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs kilawan pentip pajba ha ke Sinengkong ha Shillong Press Club halor ke jing penkre ya ke third Sora International Half Marathon haba ai jingkren na ke liang u General Secretary ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association u ba finally period ula ong ba ke third Sora International Half Marathon ka ban long mentau nai ki ban yesim benta kin poi palat nyo hajar tam kin thop ki bana Kenya Ethiopia, bat na Bangladesh, bat katarik bakhadu ban penrung kerteng na kabenta keneng kecing mare kanlong ha kata potrik mentau benai arhajar posau. Kinong isim benta ha karan for fun kidon hadu san hajar san spa prapulaingun na benta ke 10k run bat ka 21k kilong arhajar cispa san pulaingun bat barok kin poi hadu nyo hajar nyo spa lai penrungut kajing stang mare kan stang nadu kepo henru beje steng menstep highlight so plia.
We have here with us our Director, Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Shri Didi Shira, and Pak Fandi Korek, the General Secretary of MSFA and also the Secretary of Meghalaya Athletics Association. So as you are aware, this is the third time we are continuing with the Sora International Half Marathon, which is 21 kilometers and also 10 kilometers and run for fun. And we are also extremely the Meghalaya State Olympic Association in collaboration with the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs and the Meghalaya Athletic Association. And this, as you know, the run is also recognized, licensed by the Athletics Federation of India, and which is also affiliated to the World Athletics. So this is just the third, and we are extremely grateful to the government of Meghalaya for supporting this very, very important marathon. It is not just a marathon, but it is a way of expressing the health and fitness issues in our state, and we're very happy with the turnout, for which Pak Fandi will update. So the last date is tomorrow for entry of names. The event is on 21st of September 2024, and other details will be explained by our secretary. And I feel that we are very, very encouraged that this run for fun, this Sora International Half Marathon is having a great response by the community in Sora and adjoining areas, including from Shillong and other places. We're having a number of runners coming from all over India. In fact, many months ago I was already getting messages, when will this run happen, which is the date and all that. So we are slowly learning from the past, and we are very happy that we are getting more and more good response this time. Various categories are there, prize money is there, and I hope our vision is that one day this run will have maximum number of participants from all over the world. We have some international runners. In spite of the challenges that we face, Meghalaya, Shillong being unique, all kinds of challenges we have. But be as it may, we are progressing and going forward with this run. And we do hope it is creating impact in all kinds of sectors, from tourism to other sectors.
Kampoi berkat dengan sebentar senang dalam poi hadu tang run for fun dengan san haja san spa perpulai juga mare jaga thong bisa si 10k 21k dalam aja si spa san pulai baru dengan mare dalam new spa la tundre je ini orang mo arsha jing wonder bi nomere jing senang yang tahu senang ni la bo sedang hidup pun resisten nanti lah soplia, but ya kan run for fun tu ya pesan sedang keluar kan dan bakal undang nanti pembit mari minta dan pesan dia resisten along kan. Jadi kerana mengenai dalam peselat bakal jing sementara demi seorang orang yang selong dalam berhubung. Jaga jingga pak dengan Siapa baru bagi mereka yang aku itu terbaru di bib di t-shirt ingin sama hakandar aku aja stadium lalu kami berjim setiap hari sah berjim jamnya itu ibamlah manuan sim yang just number pertama itu chip t-shirt yang apa ya dokumen segi zarah kopi berhasil pangkat besar pada kopi berhak yang kita pinang tengah di masa seorang berusaha kuat kita sudah main lawan run for fun itu nilai khas seorang cara Presbyterian School nadu hak tarik nadu sepuluh nadu sauji terbaru ini nomornya kihaban poin tip sau siteng kado sampai gabos kali minum up inu nomor HP itu kuat berstand kloy nomor nanti ujungnya sudah sopnya Orang bagi yang bet bangun kantor grafik seorang di kuat berstand kloy untuk sesuatu. Orang cimare lagun di kategori dengan increase di sipoki atau di hak prasnem jeneng hatu mulai prasnem jeneng di kelas tu hingga jingkrekam belum kia. Dengan ini kerpapa akan warna kuat berbiang. Sesuatu mentau sedang menginap agnu jimbang breakfast ababi nasi dong ingin jimbang hangti abakut amaus mai abakut abakut coba jimbare nama kakum yang kanun jumlah naik jimbang nomor baru ulah pengkreat apa kemudian bang nado menit ada lepas step sesuatu kemal minum air bang yakin nasional bahasa menstep ina anda akut kejimbare seorang misalnya kuat ya dan kuat cara penji presiden tek mereka uji mesti lenguntar imlah sama dia baru mereka ya pom ya t-shirt beraan ini lain tak tahu itu mereka ya poiki spoki nama bagi t-shirt di pom banyak kila mereka dijoki tanggal pom iya price kia pom ya t-shirt beraan ini baru mereka yang sanki Kihap mereka, kihap komen t-shirt kebanyakan ayat ki, legum tangan syak ki bagian yasin mentah.